Good evening, friends. Myself, Sisir Kumar, and again I welcome you to Sisir's COVID review. And today I came out of quarantine home after 17 days. You can see I'm so jolly, so happy today because after 17 days I got freedom. So today, those who are getting panic that yes, I affected by COVID and what will happen to me. So not me, so many people are coming out of this COVID. So today with me, another COVID warrior, Joyan, who came out of COVID home after 17 days, Mr. Ashok. Ashok Kumar Pradhan. So he will be sharing his experience of COVID journey, how he came out of that one, so that you will be getting relaxed somehow. That it is simply a flu, it is a fever. It will come and it will go. So over to Mr. Pradhan. Mr. Pradhan, please.
Uh, Good evening, Mr. Sisir. Thanks a lot for your initiative to give to awareness of to the people to not to get afraid, not to get panicked for the COVID, because lot of people not staying in the big cities, even in the many of the people are living in the villages and countryside. But I advise them, those are well enough in their health, they need not to be worried about that. I'll tell the who I'll tell the later who are the people those whose condition is that they need to worry. And I can say that means I was 50 years old. I am not. I am well enough, but I was well enough. I was well enough in health. I little bit I am having a BP, but in the health wise I am well enough. I will tell the entire journey for that, when I suffered, how I came out, what the how I faced the how I traumatized by the COVID, and a lot all these things I will explain over here. And as but I will wrap up the thing within a couple of minutes. Mm, uh, Initially in August 30th, I I got little bit temperature. Not a little bit. I can say that is nearly 101 temperature in the midnight 2 a.m. Uh, that and I got up from the bed. I got up from the bed, and because I have the temperature meter, the thermometer I have, I have that. That's why I took the measurement. And at that measurement, at that time, the temperature was 101 degree, 101.6, something like that. I thought about that. That is a general flu or general cold fever. I considered that one, but I did not take it so seriously. I took the usually we have that Sinarest kind of Sinarest medicine in our house. I took it that. And they then again after 6 and 8 hours, that means in the very next day, in the morning about 8 a.m. again that the temperature got mounted to 102 degrees centigrade. Again I thought, oh, this is a general flu that will come, perhaps that will keep with me for a couple of days, and I took the Sinarest again. Uh, Again, after 7 to 8 hours, I remember what I remember, that again the temperature got mounted to above 102.4, something like that. I was what I remembered. And at that time, I thought it is better time for me to do a call. One of my friend who is in the SCB, and who is fortunately he was in the SCB COVID in charge. His name is Mr. Thita, Dr. Thita Mohanty. When I did a call to him, he told me that what the friend you are doing, it's a COVID over across over the entire world. Don't take it so slightly. But after listening his words, I got panicked. I got traumatized, I can say. I don't know. I thought about that, means I am staying in the villages in the native. How I can reach to the Bhubaneswar, which is near about 150 kilometers from away from my place. Uh, what to do? But he told me not to worry about that. I am sending you the prescription. You took that medicine and take rest. Don't go away. Don't go outside. Make isolated yourself to any of the room. Don't get in touch with to your family members. Otherwise, they will get the infected. And as per his guidelines, I did that thing. I kept myself isolated, self-isolated in a single room, fortunately, which was having a bathroom attached. And whatever that medicines he has prescribed, I took that medicines. I'll tell that medicines later on.
Our viewers will very much it will be helping you what kind of medicines you are taking, whether it is allopathic or ayurvedic, and what precautions you are taking. You just share about the prescription, so that most of the viewers are asking that when short breathness is the problem, what to do, and when the temperature is going above 202, what because now no doctors will come, because you are the COVID patient, no doctor will come. So at that time, what how that situation you tackle, you please share.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Definitely, I'll share that thing and the prescription and all kind of thing I'll tell. But first foremost thing that if you are first you'll go for the if you are having a temperature even in the very first day, I kind request to all of you, you go for a test. There are two types of tests are there. One is rapid antigen test, one is a RT-PCR test. Most of the across India, the rapid antigen test is widely available. That is conducted by the government. Hardly it will take within a day. Within a day, we'll get that result. If you came as positive, that I was, what I did, I, as per my friends advised, I kept myself isolated. That's the very first thing. I took the medicines as per his advised. And third thing that I took the lukewarm water till 10 days. And in the second day, what I actually when I actually for 3 days I have the temperature. I was having the temperature near about 101, that is fluctuating between 101 to 102. I used to take when the temperature is above 100 degree. I used to take that paracetamol and other medicines I used to take regularly.
Paracetamol 500 or paracetamol 650?
Sorry. Those are above 15 years of age. They required to take Dolo 650 and
Dolo
or Crocin 650. And those who are below 15 years of age, they need to take that 500 Dolo 500 or Crocin 500.
So it is how many times a day?
This is the thing, when the temperature has got mounted above 100 degree, you took that medicine.
Achha, that means we can take it 3 times a day.
3 times a day, the doctors are advisable, but that is advisable. But my as per my experience, when I temperature got mounted up to 100 degree Fahrenheit, I used to take that medicine.
It is after food or before food?
That is most of the times I used to take that after food.
So after food, paracetamol you have to take, and every 6 hours, if the temperature is going above 100, then paracetamol is advisable.
Achha.
Very correct.
And after that he has prescribed one anti-parasitic, that is ivermectin. That is you can get it from that prescription. We will also later on that will be shared by the Shishir. Tablet we used to take twice a day. Another rest of the three, there is the vitamin C thrice a day, one vitamin D and one zinc. And I need to specify one thing. You have to take that vitamin C 500 mg and zinc 50 mg. Took it the thing separately, because in the market, that chemist persuading him to take all these things are in the one tablet. You can take it, but don't. My advice is that you take it everything in a separate way, because at that time that the body needs that one. And I took the medicine. After 3 days, that my temperature came down to 100 degree Fahrenheit. 100 degree Fahrenheit, and I continued that medicine till 5 days. And whatever that I told you, even though I just want to add you one thing. When I was feeling the throat infection, even if I cannot swallow anything, uh, what I used to do the gargling, and that one medicine I used, that was I took it. That was levocetirizine.
Levocetirizine.
It's a
Okay.
levocetirizine.
Mhm.
And while even though apart from that, I also used to get that cough. And for cough, I have the medicine. I've just not remember that is written in the prescription. Broad Zedex, something like that. The name is something like that. Or there are two kind of cough syrup is there that you people can take it that way.
Means that this is a kind of cough syrup.
Cough syrup.
Okay.
Right.
Mhm.
Cough syrup. And you take that during that time you take the sleep at least 10 to 12 hours.
So COVID patient body rest is very essential.
Yes,
You have to sleep properly.
Because thing is that you cannot move. You make yourself confined to a room, because otherwise you from up to 10 to that, as advised my doctor friend. He told me 10 to 12 days your virus will be much active, so that you can transmit other people if you mix with the other people. That's why be confined at least for the 12 days. But even though the government is saying, or the standard of, SOP, standard operating procedures, keep yourself 17 days. But at least, but you should not move till 17 days, as I request you, all of you. And
In this 17 days, whether you felt sometime the short breathness?
short business, you mean to say what exactly? You
Short
want to-
breathness means some kind of suffocation.
Sorry. I did not. Yeah, I faced one day in the suffocation. Perhaps that was in the third day. Perhaps that for that also he has given me the medicine. He has given me yeah, sorry, that kind of medicine that used to use by the asthma patient.
Asthma patient, this is a
Patient,
kind
yeah.
of inhaler kind of.
Inhaler
Huh?
kind of.
That will be helping you.
Helping you.
Okay. You
And
have taken any oxygen because you are not very much close to hospital. So any separate oxygen cylinder?
no,
you are
no,
keeping?
sorry, I did not keep any oxygen.
Okay.
But thing is that my advice is that those who are having all kind of thing, all kinds of problems, by that chronic problem,
Chronic problem means
your
asthma,
diabetic,
diabetic,
diabetic, or you are having the
BP.
BP problem, you are having
Okay.
the that another, that is throat. What I'll say, that is
Thyroid problem.
thyroid problem.
So you
Thyroid,
keep a oxygen which is
yeah.
available 500 rupees around. Okay,
Around.
it will be helping you because it
helping
will
you.
be taking some time the ambulance to come. It will be taking 1 hour, 2 hours. So it is keep a cylinder.
Keep a cylinder for you. But I did not keep that one. But thing is that I use that for a one or two puffs. That puffs means, I mean to say that whatever advised to me, that inhaler.
Inhaler,
That
yeah.
inhaler. But I felt okay after that. And but my temperature continued up to 8 days. That remains till 8 days. It remains within 99 to 100. Because I neglected initial 2 days for that. But for that's why that was kept for the 8 days. And after the 8 days, I used to take the medicines, all kind of thing. But and I stopped the medicine after 6 days. 6 days.
So after six, what during the breakfast, lunch, dinner you are taking something non-veg or what kind of breakfast?
No. Usually I used to take that pure veg kind of thing.
Pure veg, which
Veg.
is easy to
Very
digest.
easy to digest.
Okay.
Easy to digest. Because, and another thing, don't take that any cold water all lukewarm water you please take. That is my kind request to all of you.
Cod,
No, cod is
no cold drinks, no
no
cold
cold
drinks,
drinks,
no
nothing.
cod, no cold water. Say goodbye to cold
because
stuff.
because thing is that as my doctor friend told me that will instigate or that will become a catalyst for that virus to get you infected much more, but to grab your system, that your what I'll say, that is lungs and your respiratory system infected in the rapidly, whatever.
Have you felt some kind of loose motion during this
Yeah,
17 days?
yeah, yeah.
That kind. So
The
how you?
loose motion, because if you will take that antibiotics, you will get the loose motions. But don't get panic about that. If you are facing the loose motion, you please take that ORS medicine, sorry, ORS liquid, twice or thrice a day. That after, because till antibiotic will continue. Uh, Till antibiotic is continued, that you may face that loose motion.
Coconut water also it will be
Coconut
helping
water,
you.
can't be helping.
Eller-
Because
Electrol water.
electrolyte water, coconut water, ORS water, that will help you. But not to get panic about that. For- Because that is I am talking about those who are having the general health condition. Because I do not, I have the general health condition, so that is the thing.
So this is all about Mr. Pradhan. He has shared his experience. He is quite okay. He is able to drive after 17 days. He is able to drive his scooter around the city. So quite comfortable, and he is feeling no means no issue, just like a normal
Just to
person.
add with, after I got well enough, I moved from my village to Bhubaneswar, not for the checkup, for other kind of works.
So you will be feeling after 20 days. You will be feeling quite energetic. So you should not, not you. We should not so afraid of corona. It will come, it will go. I will try to make interviews to other corona patients, those who got corona and got relief in 15 10 15 days. So I'll try, my channel will try to explain, try to elaborate, try to share all our experiences, so that you will be not panic if you got COVID positive. Thank you, friends. Share your comments in the comment section.
One last line I need
Please.
to add you. The right medicine, right way of procedure of maintaining your health, how the COVID, what to do for the guidelines to guidelines to follow in for during COVID period or during COVID infection. You need to take that on. Otherwise, if you randomly take it, that may cause you a damage. That may cause
Don't
you.
delay. If you got cold, if you got fever, then consult your doctor. And I am having experience, Mr. Pradhan is having experience. Put your comments what you want more from us, so that I will be able to answer your questions. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Stay happy.
Thanks a lot. Be safe.